Hi, I'm Bonnie from the Saskatchewan Pension Plan. Thanks for joining us again for our series on investment basics. Our topic today is investment risk. Investment risk involves the possibility of an investment's actual return differing from its expected return and the potential to lose some or all of the money you have invested. All investments have some level of risk due to the unpredictability of the market's direction. The relationship of risk and reward is central to the decision-making process for investors. Understanding your time horizon and your overall objectives for investing is key to making investment choices. While there are no risk-free investments, the risk of loss with some investments is small. For example, Canadian Treasury bills, a form of short-term government debt, carry very little risk. The risk of the Canadian government going bankrupt over the investment term is very low. However, they offer very little in the way of reward because they do not pay very much interest. Equities can offer investors potentially good returns, but they can also carry a higher degree of risk because there is no guarantee that you won't lose your money. Some investors are by nature more aggressive and are willing to take on more risk in exchange for potentially higher returns. On the other hand, conservative investors prefer investments that are unlikely to lose money even if they do not grow significantly. As an investor, you need to understand your risk tolerance. Picturing investment choices as a pyramid shows at a glance investments that tend to carry more or less risk or reward. There are several different types of investment risks that you are exposed to when investing, including inflation, credit, and market risk. SPP considers all those risks in its statement of investment policies and goals so that members' goals are matched to the objectives of the fund. This way, members don't need to take on that burden of knowledge on a daily basis. Every mutual fund provides a document called Fund Facts for investors. This includes the fund's risk rating based on past volatility of the fund's returns. This is an easy-to-use document that will assist you with understanding the risk of the funds you invest in. SPP Fund Facts are available at saskpension.com or by calling the number on the screen. I hope you found this information useful. Please join us again next time. Thanks so much for watching.